Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable setting brand colors in Brandfetch, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable brand colors in Brandfetch, start by logging into your Brandfetch account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the brand you wish to edit from the list of existing brands. Click on the brand to open its details page. On the details page, look for the brand colors section. Click on the Add Brand Color button to begin adding your colors. A color picker will appear, allowing you to select your desired color. You can enter a specific HEX code if you already have a particular shade in mind. After selecting the color, click Add to include it in your brand colors list. Repeat this process for any additional colors you wish to add. Once you have added all your brand colors, review the selections for accuracy. To edit a color, simply click on it in the list. Adjust the shade using the color picker or change the HEX code as needed. After making changes, ensure to save your edits before exiting. If you wish to remove a color, click on the trash icon next to the specific color. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove it from your brand colors. With all colors set, you can now utilize them for your brand's design needs. Utilizing Brandfetch's features allows for consistent branding across all your platforms. This concludes the process for enabling and managing brand colors in Brandfetch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.